Oh my god.
Car accident.
Damn it.
Emergency vehicle.
Fuck! Hell. Oh. Holy. Whoa! Oh shit!
Oh my. Could have been a lot worse. Sorry.
Could have been a lot worse.
I didn't see him coming.
Oh,
Did
it's
you?
okay.
What do I do?
Pull over there.
Wow.
Nominated for an Oscar. It's a gauntlet of devotion that you have to do, and you know, just all over the whole thing.
What did you think as you watched it unfold, and then what happened after?
I was sickened. I was sickened by the standing ovation.
God, I'm still counting my blessings. All that you've done in my life. The more that I look in
the most minor way on January 6th, the Biden FBI might have been able to find. But did they want to? I know that is the other question that many people. Were they really interested in finding this person? Is the term false?
We open them, you were. Fuck me, man! Fuck off, bro! Fuck!
nowhere. You got the notion. Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat, don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat.
What the f, man? What the f? Are you f serious?
Oh my god, fuck, look at this shit. Oh my god. What the actual fuck?
Aye, I spoke to him the other day. Fucking seems to be fucking getting on alright now. Well done. Fucking idiot. Just pull out into the middle of the fucking road.